Hey guys, thank you once again to everyone that's commented and messaged, wow. Oh, I need to sneeze real bad. Commented and messaged, oh god, I can't even speak, I'm sorry. You know, sent me things. Yeah. Because I do appreciate everything that comes through. Sorry that I've been so vacant the last week, especially with responding to everything. There's a few reasons for that. First of all being that I'm going back to uni, and when I say back to uni, I mean I'm starting a bachelor after completing another one. So wow, my sneezes are weird at the moment. I've been busy trying to organise all that sort of stuff. I also managed to bugger my shoulder up at work. And by that, yeah, I mean that I strained my rotator cuff and my shoulder at work, meaning that I'm essentially useless because, you know, three quarters of what I do is actually manual handling, so can't really do that with a bum shoulder. So there's been heaps of paperwork and stuff I've had to fill out for that. And also, I don't know, I'm probably going to end up coughing a bit too, because for whatever reason, the last 10 days or so, my asthma's been playing up, and because, damn, I lost it. Wow, no I didn't. Because sometimes things, you know, coughing can sometimes set it off. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I just feel kind of ick. So I haven't really been sneezing, just my normal daily, 10 or so. Which is not fun. Kind of been in the wars lately. But such is life. So I don't know, I don't actually have all that much to talk about at the moment because, well, work, I'm not doing anything. Choir, I'm not doing much. We have a performance coming up, which is cool, but yeah, but that's just normal everyday things. I mean, we're preparing for the semester that's just about to start. So I've been arranging with a friend of mine, and that's a lot of fun. Because I've always wanted to collaborate, I guess, with someone. So I'll let you know more about that if you're interested at all. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I've been so boring. I did a day of light duties for work, and I've been busy yoga. I can't even speak, I'm so out of it. I'm busy going to the physio, and just trying to get my shoulder normal. and uni and everything else. I'm sorry, I'm so repetitive. I just... Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's a cold, because if it is a... Skipped everything and just went straight to the coughing stage. But it doesn't feel like an infection other than... like constant coughing throughout the day. My chest kind of hurts. Oh, yuck. I'm blowing my nose again, sorry. Ugh. I feel so boring. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, bad. I suppose on the bright side, I did order. Fucking hell, I can't speak. Some chickney. So, as soon as I get that, you guys will know. Because I think I'll just try it with you. This is going to be the end. I don't know if you're going to hear it. I'm going to... Can you hear a wheeze? Oh, as soon as I get this out. Yeah, I'm gonna go sleep and be good and do all the boring sort of things. So I hope you're all doing well. If you have any requests, please let me know. And I'll try and get back to you. Whenever I can. Love you all.